Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mutia Sinta Kolisa. The student ID number 2419123200007. Group 1 Samaru. I am from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Lampung Mangkurat University. And in this video, I want to present my essay on the theme of ethic and moral of respecting others. Ethic is a field of study that deals with morals and the principles as to determine what is wrong or right in various situations. Ethics includes talk and arguments about what is considered good or bad, right or wrong, and fair or unfair. The purpose of ethics is to help individual and society make morally correct decision. In addition, ethics also address important value in human life, such as honesty, integrity, responsibility, justice, and respect to human rights. Truth, ethics play an important role in shaping human behavior and action that interacting with others, the environment, and surrounding world. Ethics is a code of conduct in human relationship that serves as a boundary to determine whether an action is right or wrong. In a social context, ethics require us to respect the dignity of others and to abide by the laws and customs that apply around us. Culture also encourages the applicator of this ethic, especially in respecting others in social life. Human can live alone. We always need others to survive and thrive. Therefore, ethics plays an important role in maintaining the quality of human relationship. Not only that, ethics is a very important foundation in our daily lives, as it helps create balance, harmony, and justice in our social interaction. Ethics is a branch of philosophy that study morality, which is about what is considered right and wrong in human behavior. Ethics is concerned with the principles what govern the action of a person or group, as well as how these principles are applied in social life in philosophical studies. Ethics explore the rationale and structure of moral values, while practically ethics guide us in understanding the reason and purpose behind our moral action or decisions. Ethics has a very important role in human life, especially in the increasingly complex and dynamic contemporary era. Ethics is closely related to the concept of morality, which consists of the set of norms, values, and beliefs that govern human behavior. Morality serves as a good line to determine actions that are consistent, good or bad, right or wrong. Ethics also address moral conflict and often arise in everyday life, where individuals are faced with a choice between conflicting values or must or mass course between self-interest and the greatest good. In shock situation, ethics help individual weak and decide on the course of action that best conform to moral principle and social responsibility. Ethics in daily life is very important to maintain harmony in social relation and interest with diverse communities. Some examples of ethics that can be applied are respecting the right and privacy of others by respecting privacy means not interfering in other people's personal affairs or disseminating people's information without permission. Giving others the space to express themselves without interference is a form of respect for individual rights and respecting diversity. Respecting diversity in culture, religion, or politics view reflect an attitude of tolerance and inclusive in different society. It shows respect for the right of every individual to have different beliefs and views. By practicing with ethics, we can create a more harmonious and respectful environment in our daily lives. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, the term appreciate means the demand for everyone to respect the authority and uphold the optional and beliefs of others. Hofmann defines respect as the act of giving good judgment or giving value to something. In a social context, everyone should be aware that it is important to accept others as they are, without discrimination based on ethnicity, religion, language, race, gender, or nationality. All people deserve to valued and respected. Respecting others means treating them well, both with word and deed. Arian also added that mutual respect, reflection of form of self-control. Then something is respected, they feel care for which affect their mental growth. The better the appreciate, the better the development. Conversely, if the appreciating received is poor, it can negatively affect one's mental state. The important things in affecting action. The important thing in appreciating. The important thing in appreciating others is to provide space and opportunities for them to progress and develop. This can be realized by facility and motivation others, either directly or indirectly, so that they have sufficient space to develop their talents, gifts, and abilities to the fullest. Following others means not mocking them or hearing their progress. Moreover, following others also means positioning them on the same level of importance as oneself. This means that if a person considers himself valuable, he must also realize that other people have equal value and importance. This awareness will shape good behavior in acting and speaking toward others. Good and fair treatment of others is actually an effort to improve human dignity as noble virtues create and uphold the value of human rights. By respecting others, we must contribute to creating a more human and dignified social environment. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. I hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us. We uphold the values of respecting others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.